everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can add your bank account details on TranZact. So you need to go to all modules. Now here you need to click on settings. Once you will come in setting, please check here is an option of accounts. Click on accounts. Now you will get an option of bank detail. So on your right hand side, you will see an option of add bank details. Click on this. It will ask you for the bank name. So it's State Bank of India. Now coming to next account name. So let me put FCB Technology. After that, account number. So I will just go ahead and type any random number here. The branch is Powai, Swift code and IFSC code. So IFSC code, I will quickly just go ahead and type it here. Now MICR code address, so it's Powai, Mumbai. After that, I will click on save. Now, once I clicked on save, please check this particular bank details that have been added. Now I can use the same while creating the invoice or while logging the payment. How you can delete any bank account details. So this is one of my bank account details which I have just mentioned. I can quickly go ahead and just click on three dot and can edit and delete this bank account detail. I will click on edit and make changes. After that, I can go ahead and click on delete as well. It will ask for the confirmation. Click on yes and the bank account will get deleted. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and add or delete your bank account details. Have a good day ahead.